Hi everyone, today we are going to fix one of the most annoying browser issues, unexpected search engines. Ever opened Chrome and wondered why Google isn't the default search engine? I'm going to show you exactly how to fix that in less than a minute. Let's go. So open your Chrome browser and make sure your Chrome is up to date. Then on your top right, you see these three dots, click on them. Then scroll down until you see settings. When you're in the settings tab on your sidebar, on the left sidebar, look for this icon like a magnifier called search engine. Click on it. Then where they say search engine, select the search engine you want. You can click change. Then select Google. Then you click set as a default browser. It's as easy as that. So let's test if Google is our default browser. So you open a new browser and instantly the search engine changes to Google. See, I told you it will be easy. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let me know in the comments, did this video help you make Google your default search engine? Thank you for watching.